Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest tools on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best tools of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1. Product name: Sigmund Laser Level. The Sigmund Laser Level is a versatile tool designed for precision in various tasks like construction, picture hanging, and other alignment projects. This model features a 3 by 360 degrees 3D green cross line, allowing for a full range of visibility and accuracy across all surfaces. The green laser lines are highly visible, even in bright environments, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. One of the standout features of the Sigmund Laser Level is its self-leveling capability, which ensures that the laser lines remain perfectly aligned, even on slightly uneven surfaces. This feature significantly reduces setup time and enhances accuracy, crucial for tasks that demand precision. The device is equipped with a rechargeable battery, offering convenience and sustainability by eliminating the need for constant battery replacements. It also comes with a remote controller, allowing users to operate the laser level from a distance, adding to its ease of use, especially in larger projects. Product 2. Product name: Anchor 521 Portable Power Station. The Anchor 521 Portable Power Station is an advanced and compact power solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts and those in need of reliable backup power. It is upgraded with a Li-FePO for battery known for its long-lasting durability and safety, offering a capacity of 256 Wh. This power station features a 6-port powerhouse with the ability to deliver 300 W of continuous power, and a peak output of 600 W. The device includes 2 AC outlets and a 60 W USB-C PD output, making it versatile for charging a variety of devices, from laptops to smartphones. This portable power station is also equipped with solar charging capabilities, solar panels sold separately, making it an ideal companion for camping, hiking, or other outdoor activities where conventional power sources are unavailable. Its compact design and robust features make it suitable for use in remote locations, aligning with your interest in outdoor gear like the Grail GeoPress water purifier bottle and the Sportneer compass. Whether you're out in the wilderness or in need of emergency power at home, the Anchor 521 offers a reliable and efficient solution. Product 3. Product name: Tungsten Carbide Burset. The Tungsten Carbide Burset is a versatile and durable toolset designed for various applications in steel and woodworking, including grinding, carving, and engraving. This set includes 10 pieces of double-cut rotary cutting burrs, each with a 1/4 shank, making them compatible with most die grinders. The burrs are made from tungsten carbide, a material renowned for its exceptional hardness and wear resistance, ensuring a long lifespan even when used on tough materials like steel. These burrs are ideal for detailed work in metal and wood, allowing for precision in shaping, smoothing, and finishing surfaces. The double-cut design of the burrs provides efficient cutting action, reducing the amount of material removed per pass and minimizing the risk of chipping or damaging the workpiece. This feature also helps in achieving smoother finishes and faster stock removal. Product 4. Product name: ESPIC Folding Grabber Tool. The ESPIC award-winning folding grabber tool is a versatile and practical tool designed to assist the elderly, disabled individuals, and seniors with reaching and picking up objects that are out of reach or difficult to handle. This tool features a 36-inch reach, making it ideal for grabbing items from high shelves, tight spaces, or underneath furniture without the need for bending or stretching. Its heavy-duty rotating grippers provide a strong and reliable grip, ensuring that even heavier objects can be securely lifted. One of the standout features of the ESPIC grabber tool is its built-in magnets, which are particularly useful for picking up small metal items like keys, coins, or nails. This added functionality enhances its usability, making it a handy tool not just for everyday tasks but also for specific needs like cleaning up or retrieving lost items. Product 5. Product name: Centotech Systems. Centotech Systems is a company known for producing high-quality vacuum accessories, including hoses, adapters, and attachments designed for both residential and commercial use. Their products are often compatible with a wide range of brands, making them versatile tools for various cleaning and dust collection needs. The Centratec System's 94731 Quick Click 30 feet hose is a notable product designed for both home and shop vacuums. This long, durable hose is specifically engineered to extend the reach of your vacuum, making it easier to clean large areas or access hard-to-reach spots. It features an expanded multi-brand power tool adapter set, which allows it to connect seamlessly with a variety of power tools from different brands. This is particularly useful for dust collection, as it helps in maintaining a cleaner work environment by efficiently capturing dust and debris at the source. This product aligns well with users interested in practical, high-quality tools and accessories that enhance their home or shop vacuum system's functionality. Product 6. Product name Metabo HPT Brad Nailer Kit. The Metabo HPT Brad Nailer Kit is a professional-grade tool designed for precision and efficiency in various finish applications. As part of the Pro-preferred brand of pneumatic nailers, this kit is particularly noted for its reliability and performance in tasks like trim work, furniture building, and other delicate finishing jobs. The nailer is compatible with 18-gauge brad nails ranging from 5/8 to 2 inches, making it versatile enough for a wide range of woodworking projects. Its lightweight design, combined with a comfortable grip, reduces user fatigue, allowing for extended use without compromising accuracy or control. The NT50AE2 model included in this kit is celebrated for its easy-to-use features, including an adjustable depth of drive, which ensures nails are driven to the perfect depth without damaging the material. Product 7. Product name Viver Workbench A3. The Viver Workbench A3 is a robust and versatile workbench designed for heavy-duty use in garages, workshops, and similar environments. This workbench features a sturdy steel construction, ensuring durability and stability during demanding tasks. With a maximum power capacity of 1500 W, it is well suited for powering a range of tools and equipment. The workbench has a weight capacity of 220 pounds, supported by a hardwood benchtop with a thickness of 0.47 inches, providing a solid surface for various projects. For convenience, it includes a 1.5 amp power cable with 4 AC outlets and 2 USB ports, making it easy to connect power tools, chargers, and other devices. Additionally, the workbench is equipped with 30 hooks, offering ample storage for tools and accessories, keeping your workspace organized.